have the mirror experiment, and this is the result of the experiment. So basically, we made a solution with the silver nitrate, and we added the sodium hydroxide to it to make it basic. And then after that, we added the dextrose to it, which reduced the silver to make a silver coating on the inside of the test tube. So it looks kind of chrome-like and like a mirror. And that was the experiment that we did today. Hi, today we're doing the gold and silver pennies experiment. So we have a penny here that was turned to silver by soaking it in zinc that was heated under the hood. And so now we're going to take the penny that's coated in the zinc and we're going to put it under the Bunsen burner, and the heat is going to react and it's going to turn it into a brass alloy. So we're going to demonstrate that now. Now we have gold making brass, and so we made brass today with our experiment, and that concludes our experiment.
Alright.
Hi, today we're doing the elephant toothpaste experiment. So we have our 10 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide, and that normally decomposes naturally into oxide and water molecule. But we're going to speed this reaction up with some iodine.
Okay.
Let's see what happens. And then that concludes our experiment. Hi, today we're doing the fireworks experiment today. So we're going to take each of the chemical compounds and we're going to put it underneath the Bunsen burner under the flame and see what color they turn. So we have styrene. That's like a red color. And then we have calcium chloride. That's like an orange color. And we have sodium chloride. And that's like a bright orange color. And then we have barium chloride. That's like a yellow or like a gold color. And then we have copper chloride. That's like a green. And then we have lithium chloride.
Yeah,
it's like a
I think so.
Pink, or like a red color. And then lastly we have potassium chloride. That's like a orange, like a light orange. And that's the end. We're doing the exploding gummy bear procedure today. So right now we're heating up the potassium chlorate so it turns into liquid. And then we will drop the gummy bear inside the test tube. And then the oxide from the reaction will react with the glucose in the gummy bear, and that will cause it to explode. So we are waiting to drop it in there, and then we should see the gummy bear exploding. Is it melted?
Yeah.
It's melted?
Yeah, the thing is melted.
Okay. So I just drop it in there with my hand.
Yeah.
I'm scared. the experiments.